little journey now. What we're going to do is we're going to have a magical, mystical, musical journey. My name is Kieran Callan, he's Justin McCann. We're called the McCallan. We make up kind of musicals and songs on the spot with audience participation, so we're going to need some audience participation.
Yeah.
So, say goodbye to We Love. Are you going? No,
we're staying for McCallan.
Oh, God, yeah. Great. So, guys, we're going to write a quick song, but we have to have a hero of our stories. We have to have like a place, and then we're going to have a hero. So to start off, ladies and gentlemen, it can be a celebrity, it can be any person in the world. I need somebody who's going to take us on this journey, and that person is going to be...
Donald Trump!
Morgan Freeman?
Morgan Freeman! Yes. Okay, so Morgan Freeman is going to take us somewhere in the world. It could be anywhere in the world, any place you've ever been. Morgan Freeman is going to...
Maldives.
What was that?
The Maldives.
The Maldives. Morgan Freeman is going to the Maldives. But ladies and gentlemen, there's no planes, there's no ferries, there's no nothing else. So Morgan Freeman is going to the Maldives and he's getting there on a...
Jet ski.
Jet ski. Okay. So we're gonna have Morgan Freeman. So what's famous about the Maldives?
Maltesers are from there.
Maltesers are from there. Okay. Anything else about the Maldives?
Nuclear attacks in Maldives, of course, right?
Which?
The nuclear attacks.
Nuclear attacks. Okay. Maltesers. Anything else that happens in the Maldives?
Every other day, shocking.
Every other day. Well, let's make up some shit. What else happens in the Maldives?
The water's super clear. It's like glass.
Glass water, super clear glass water. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do maybe two styles in this, two musical styles. So to start us off, Morgan's favorite musical style is...
Cabaret.
What was that?
Cabaret.
Cabaret.
Oh, funny kid.
When I walked in the door, I could smell the perfume. Maltesers were hanging in the air. So I put on my actor face and I said, how you doing, honey? I need to tell you something, let's go out the back. And when she left, I took her goddamn jet ski and I went flying out the back into the big blue sea. And now I'm on the road again. Morgan Freeman on the road again. Me and the jet ski, I'm gonna go again. I gotta get to the Maldives. I'm gonna get there on a fucking jet ski. Gonna ride all night. And I'm gonna hold on tight. Oh, now my nylon skirt is kinda getting in the way as my jet ski goes boom, boom, boom. Ow! I'm nailing now. I'm seeing the Maldives are coming, baby, on the horizon. I see them local girls are already there waiting for me because I sent out the Morgan Freeman signal, and now they're standing there with their love to be seen to say, hey, you're welcome to the Maldives. We've been waiting for you. We've been talking about you. We want to see what you can be. And then Morgan Freeman stood up and said, I love the life of an island man. It's tropical in the winter because the nuclear bomb went bang. Now in the summertime, Maltesers fill the room. And the Maltese residents, they put Maltesers in your mouth, but they levitated in there because they have that superpower too. Just like the movie, my movie about my life. I'm gonna marry the Maldives and make them my wife, and we can ride off on my lovely jet ski and fly. I'll get myself down, I will plant a tree, I will be a Shawshank Redemption, just waiting for mystery. I will play baseball and talk weird monologues in my house. teach you all about life and how you need to gab.